Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. Let's get started. So I'm just going to take some white paint and I'm going to coat the bird and the pot, both with the white paint. Once I have those both coated, I'm going to take and stain the dowel with some brown wax. And I'm just going to stain part of it, the part that's going to show. You can use brown paint if you have that as well. It'll work just the same. And I am going to link in the comments below where I got the bird. Once I have that all painted, I'm just going to take some of that pink paint and just lightly go over the white on the pot. It's just kind of a dry brushing. I don't want the whole pot to be pink. I want some of the white showing through, so I just did a very light coat of it. And as you can see, some of the white is still showing through. It's just exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to take the floral foam that I had and just use a palette knife and cut it and place it right inside the pot. And then I'm going to set that aside for now and work on our bird again. So I'm going to take some Mod Podge and cover my bird with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to lay my tissue paper right over the top of the bird. Then I'm going to take and press in around the bird's wing once I have it all Mod Podged to make sure that it's all the way around the wing as well as onto the bird. And I just lay this over it after I put the Mod Podge on. I did a thin coat. And I'm just going to lay it right on. And then I'm just going to pat it real lightly with my fingers using a very soft touch so that I don't break the paper because it's tissue paper and it's really sensitive with the Mod Podge and with it being wet. So I'm just kind of going over it very lightly, making sure that it's all stuck. And then I took a razor blade, it's actually an X-Acto knife blade, and went around the wing part so that there was no bubble there from the paper, and then make sure that was all pushed down around the wing as well. Just going very slowly, kind of pressing it down as I go, making sure that that bubble part isn't there and that it's all stuck onto the actual bird itself. I'm going to use my heat gun to make sure that it's fully dry, and then I'm going to take a sanding block that I got at Dollar Tree and I'm going to sand off the excess paper. And here's what she looks like when I have her all sanded. Next, I'm going to line it up onto the dowel to see exactly where I need to cut my dowel and how high I want my bird to stick out of my pot. So I'm just going to make an estimate, and then I'm going to cut my dowel. Before we attach the bird to the dowel, I'm going to cut out a piece of that Dollar Tree cookie sheet. I'm going to lay it on the bird, and I'm going to rub it right around her wing to get the impression of what the wing looks like. And then I'm going to cut this out to fit on her wing. Before I attach that, I'm going to lay my bird down on the back side, and I'm going to glue my dowel onto that. So I'm just going to use some hot glue, hold it down, and then I'm going to add a little hot glue to either side of the dowel to make sure that it's really held well. Then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and run it back over the bird, and I'm going to add another piece of tissue paper on top of that. And this is going to kind of hide the dowel, but also give the back side a really cute look just as well as the front side. So I'm just going to, put a quick coat of Mod Podge on, add some of my tissue paper again, and then I am going to use the sanding block and sand that excess of that tissue paper off as well. And now that you can barely see the dowel, I'm going to take that cookie sheet that we just cut out and I'm going to hot glue that right onto her wing. It's going to just kind of break up the floral tissue paper and kind of give it a cute little look. All attached, we can hot glue her right into the pot, into the floral foam. And I just put a dab of hot glue where the foam is and then just put the dowel in. Next, I'm going to hot glue some of the Spanish moss around the top of the foam to hide it. Next, I added a few florals that I had on hand, so I just popped the tops off of them and hot glued them into the bottom of the pot. Then I took some twine and wrapped it around right underneath the bird into a little bow. And then I added a button in the center of those. I just used a pink button that I had on hand. I ended up doing another bow on it that I added more loops. And I think it turned out so super cute. And I think it was the perfect finishing touch that this needed.